pray for her. Me, I don't even know anything. Now, video when I do one day, when I call the talk the video for Facebook, I say, I said this guy they like Mommy Yore. The way he's talking to say, hey, Mommy Yore go see Mommy Yore have a man. Because say you never see that they do marriage for outside. You see why you don't know that he have a man? Is she a baby? Eh?
Rita Jimmy and we could call Rita Jimmy for me. Then we are glassy out on our deggy. Mona call go biri for me. Go biri we nowhere. We they sick. Rita Jimmy we don't know what they do. We get mental problem. We saying they advise women for social media. Best of the same feather flies together. Not be Ashawo like you, they advise for social media. Now Ashawo like you, they advise for social media. You go to the talk, say, woman leave me. You know the shame if they talk and retire, you may say, woman leave me. How many men you don't leave? 4 men, now you born 4. You leave 4 men. Talk like say me, we be illiterate, we don't know how to write in my name. Where woman don't, only one woman I don't come out leave me. Only woman I don't come out from my life. I never marry second woman now. Say second woman come out from my life. You will come to laugh me now that you may say woman come out from my life. You see where you people where they follow you, they work up plus you not get sense, you not be foolish people. You they laugh me say woman come out from my life. Only one woman, me will be illiterate, we don't know how to write the name. Only one woman I don't come out from my life. What of you where they talk and come out from mouth, say woman abandon me? How many men you abandon retire me? 4 men. This is nonsense. When you say you want to talk, now make they bring your papa. They bring your papa, they bring your mama come out for social media. Una wey say una know how to talk for social media, they don't let cause up all of una. Me we even need trade, we not go school. How many courses does he say they lay for my head for this social media? Rita, you know they sit down, they think of yourself. Before you want to talk to Prophet Atiti, you know sit down and think. Why I want to ask you this question now, Rita, I want to ask you, may listen to the voice of Iyore. Whether at the time when Iyore with the husband take quarrel, now me can go the toast down. Or when with the husband dey, now me can go the toast down. I go up now, I go climb up, go cut the voice when I come plan for you. Or I dey talk around from time 14 years ago when I call this social media. Before I call social media, me with the Iyore no for Paris. I even dey talk and say, it is say, I don't cost me, now Iyore for marry. I don't dey talk for live video for 14 years ago. Since me with the Iyore meet for live video, whether me don't toast the Iyore, I want to know who they talk live for me, you, Iyore. I want to know who they talk live. Now that whether like when he don't talk, say he don't leave your husband, so why play the voice first? I'll say play your own. Why play the voice? Whether when don't leave your husband, so now me toast the Iyore. I want Mona to tell the world. I want Mona to explain it to the world. Whether not that way they for your husband's house. Now me toast the Iyore. I want Mona to explain it. Abuna not get something to follow me fight. Illiterate, the whole world don't know say I be illiterate. I don't know how to write my name. I know they deny that one. I don't know how to write my name, but words complete for my mouth. Words complete for my mouth. Abi, what you want to try to tell the world that me? I want you to talk to. I not be almost what they talk to anyhow. You say me they call you in Igbo. I clarify one point. What you make me call in Igbo. When you with this woman they quarrel, You no could come on. Wait there for London. Where you go wear a cloth, you go wear your clothes. Go na the quarrel. Wait till bring quarrel for now. Where you go Nigeria, go do fake marriage. Where you go do. Where they not see your siblings, they not see papa, they not see mama. Under Tapoli, we not see. Now under Kachu, we not see under Kachu, we not see under Tapoli. Where you go do fake marriage, where you go do. I call the course you no could come on. Wait there for UK. Asaboro come settle me with you no could come on. I can't tell and say sorry. You would call the quarrel. Since Asaboro don't settle two of us, they want settle two of them for almost a platform. Olaluwe uno be color. Now I call put. I can't call you Nibokun, call you Oriome. Make quarrel for finish. Me with you no could quarrel again. You want talking for this video just now? You say me call you Nibokun married woman. Weytin make me call you Niboku that day. And you want talking for your video and I say, well, okay, you call the sales kind of person with this. That day, if a Muslim go remember, if a Muslim will bring that video come out, a Muslim will go cut out. After I don't call your name, I praise you, Niboku Oriome. You call back that day, say you never marry. I make you a happy day, say you go bidding on they make you the happy. The word when he talk for that live video that he proved to the world say go be the way they with for house. If they use you, you know they make you they happy. May they go bring that video come out when I come plan. When you talk to the same because they call you in Iboku. I call you in Iboku, make water for finish. The time when I call you in Iboku, most of these days when I call you in Iboku, now when they bring your papa with your mama come out. Where Pastor Grace, where they for worry go arrest your mama. The way people say they beat you, the money all of the country they beat you. I can't call you in Iboku today, give you encouragement. I not call her to come friend you because woman way don't born for 4 men. I not get what they take and they do. I know they take Pikin go school. Me, I can never take another man Pikin go school. If I want marry woman way don't born, a Pikin don't grow. A Pikin dog grew. The one way they for 8 years, 7 years. Me we so go down. E so go down ni yahin. Me we no ku ya, me we no ku. So I want to ask question. I want to ask question to the world. Make the world help me ask this question. First of all, I want to play Yuri voice when Yuri to talk. I'm not supposed to play Yuri voice. Where Yuri talk saying in with your husband not the again. But I want to plan for the video because of the video where you do Rita in here. I they save everything. If anybody they do video, I just set my recording. When I take the cut and keep in case of incasity. This record the way Yuri want place when I ain't talking with the math. What it make me come plan today? I want to ask you a question. One point for plan. Move for plan. I'm a rotor. I am Mariame. I am Mariame. But not be that what I come for now. Rita, make una go call that go-go-biri woman for me. He say your husband, wait till your husband take better pass me, I don't know now. If your husband be austere, maybe I don't be 2 rooms. If your husband will be graduate, be duplex, maybe I don't build 1 room. I don't know what your husband take pass me now. The go-go-biri, after you don't born for 4 men, go-go-biri more you couple for us. I don't know what you take pass me. I want me to call explain that for me, Rita. If your husband they pay for house strength for house, me they pay for house strength. Me not pack my load, go stay with woman now. Go the playground, go the carry pikin, go school. I'm too big for nonsense. Rita, I hear the go-go-biri woman we say know how to talk, we mouth white, go reach here. I want me to go call her, come, we can tag and come. I see the video when he do yesterday, I laugh. I don't see him when he do him on Mozuo, Unogbekola, Olaluwe, Olalesage. He talked to Omozuo not block the one we take talk to, not block him for a page. The one where he made it talk to me, Omozuo go they block him. So as I walk out, they go for a Sazu government. Now I see when I reach where Omozuo Unogbekola. Now I can't reach there, I can't see I say block mine. He jode with my video together, say Rita me. He don't give me woto. He don't give me woto. Any trait go come answer. Una no know any trait. Una know any trait na pikin we no go school, we dey dig rabbits. Pikin we no know how to write his name, but we know the exactly answer to give Ashawo. We need the exactly answer to drive Ashawo at our house. Me with Yore don't know less than 14 years plus or 15 years plus. Now day you with Yore know. You want to cause quarrel for me with Yore, and you don't cause the quarrel. I just like as the quarrel do so. My papa tell me say no one no follow the akuna wakata akuna no good. The good way you do for akuna no they remember. Now only good way akuna do for you now they remember. So nika the earful you already. Nika the earful waga video now. Ya agbe Rita, I go tell you say. Now maybe pikin we know the shame with the bomb for inside market. The day with the bomb in noise they make for noise. Yogo, what is it? What did I say? Yogo. If they make noise for inside my ear, they take cloth cover me, carry me, come up for inside market. I go tell you say you learn how to talk. Asha will not know how to talk for where I did. What Asha woman contribute for the society? You say me call the toast Yore. The question when me they ask now. Now 14 years ago now I toast Yore. Not be when we would come for live video. When we would come for live video. Now where they go lay cost on Paul Yore for Benin. Say what he talk. Now make me come out. I look and say na pikin will not grow for house. I see and say na pikin will not grow for house. I can't carry the matter. Different people call me different names. I don't care. Even when the move itself, I drive a demo for a body. I pursue a demo for a body before I go give a demo for 1 million. Una see for this social media. So not be that why I come for now. Go they remember all of them. I caught many videos when I caught kids when I continue answer them. As he said so. If you don't want to join Rita, say you want beat me, I go give them body beats. Now only once they go make noise wah like dog, mad woman wait for straight. Woman wait there for under the press. Now only once they go make noise, you go loud. But my own, I go the chopper some more, I go the chopper. People go no say na me come. I felt they do for this live video go na dog weakness. Doctor say this small rat Rita Yemi. He say me woman abandon me comot. He say woman abandon me comot. They laugh me now. Rita Yemi, how many men you abandon run leave? 4 men before Gogobiri. You say Gogobiri better pass me. I don't know what it take better pass me now. Because if you put woman, we don't born for 4 men, put for house. Before Gogobiri film carry you, we don't born for 4 men, put for house. Now you say better pass me now. Over my dead body. Woman, we don't born for 4 men, I don't get what I think and they do. Is a condemned woman in the society. Is a foolish woman in the society. What I wanted that kind of woman do. As me gallantly so, young man that is vibrant. The man I did not go to school, but I'm vibrant. Rita Yemi. The question when me the ask now, Rita Yemi, I want me you can't give me reply. Now the one 14 years ago, if now 14 years ago, you say I toast the Yuri, I not deny. I felt the talker for live video. But now, with one way they talk now, I want to ask you now, after waiting with your husband, don't quarrel, Ovigbo, now I can't toast the Yuri or where we there for live video. Waiting make me, when I did, where anybody will call cause Yuri, Bomila, King, all of them, I'll call they saw them back. Now because of the good way they do for me when I go Paris. Now because of the good way they do for me, I felt the thing they talk on. But most one want go talk, you want to Pramo TV. He go to tell Pramo TV like say me say I tell her say he sleep with the Yuri. Yuri I can't swear put for live video. All of them are saying. Now only toast I toast Yuri 14 years ago. That time Atiti na be Atiti. I they recover back again for because of what the woman do me now. They recover back again. I believe say before 2 years. When I go see the real Atiti again. As soon as they see the real Atiti, so I go see me the real Atiti. Many of them go they cry because of Atiti. Atiti don't go that time. But the question when I get asked now, I want to play your voice because maybe as in talk say with your husband don't quarrel. In with the week will not day again. Now me come toast the Yore or Mose. I want me people help me call the Yore Asan. I want this guy made the call the buck come off from my head. In 14 years ago, now he can't talk. I go grieve for that one. I go grieve for that one. Now since when we come live video, now me come the toast the Yore. I want me to call me as blogger. Make una help me share this video. Wagumega, hey. Rita Yemi wa sungu. Ashawo dan. Ashawo go biri. Wow, what my way when I move you go your wa. Woman way not good for house. Now they marry other tribe because his character is useless. I see the surprise for some foolish adult women where you come to watch you. After 4 husbands, now go bring you can carry now with the talk say erodo, because we are a foolish woman. Go bring will never marry you to affinity. He will only use you and dump you. The way Igbo men they use our women, they drop them. Igbo woman Igbo man will put money for Igbo woman head. If they add before I put money for another woman head. So I want to ask the whole world, make una, I not talk to Yore, voice of Yore, wait it us saying because we will not do again. I not say Yore they support you. He want support you to fight me. I they wait me can't do video for my head. I they wait me Yore can't do video for my head. Before we chook left for the trouser. Wait till Yore know for my body, we can't talk to the world. Me not get what I know for a body, but the audios when me don't see for hair. If I call the plan where people not see is there. Where people not see, if I call the plan, people can say attitude too wicked. Attitude too wicked. Me never know whether I Yore tell you now. See after you with your husband don't quarrel, Yore and a woman. I feel to stand. That will not be shameful thing. If you even go talk and I say I can't go to toast the Yore, I get asked. Not be all man go fear let and go toast the Yore. Rita Yemi, if you not be foolish woman. We no get sense. If me initiate carry phone out the toast the Yuri, I get asked. I be banned. Now be all men go fear go let I go free toast to Yuri. I be you no get sense. I shall kill him when my papa tell me I shall not get sense. I shall foolish. Why get me? One play your voice before I play your own. One you see the one play and finish. Make people listen.
for an interview to Becca. Facilitate for what the last week. You are your doctor. If you are not or whatever, you are almost never.
When I be where we go, that will be maybe all of your affair. But I cannot proud of myself. I'm proud of my color. It I be want when I see document when I take your hand, say move they go beneath. Hey boy day. But this Rita, you may be evil. We don't need your progress. It don't need anything good for you. You say me they like you, you're why not go like her, not be woman. Now woman. Now that's why you want to talk, say you don't beat Atiti now. Atiti called the toast you. Now you say you don't beat Atiti. Now you can't say you want to fool Atiti. Atiti not get woman for us. Now talk less, the woman go here say I call the toast Yuri. The woman call they beat me for us. Rita will come be. Wow, Rita, ye me and woo. Wow, call me Rita. Come on, mom. Since you don't have. So I want to ask you, I want to play this verse finish. Mo will ask you whether when Iyore with your husband, when Iyore don't go back to a house, say not they marry again. Say the man not they stay for house. If woman they chop kukuba every seconds, he go they come down. Woman will not they chop kukuba, he go they sakmana. No listen, if not, no listen, no listen.
For 2 years, you have a matter to war with me. If I not attacking you, you guys were also when I will be, also when I will talk, I'll get enough by your woman. And I will say you talk what I don't get enough. It's just that I will be after I will keep you. I'm aware. Even though I have no way, I'm not my son. Be more than you know that I go. I don't want to if you are one, number 2, I guess very much. Every man, I guess Nero. Upa, I guess the Nero. What happened, Nero? Oh, I will know where pass. Well, we go to each other. No. Oh, the next time, what I'm going to do it.
Okay.
If I was true, all human are weird. Oh, what is it? Oh, after that, let's go on any way. I will not have a weird you. Yeah, you have to something because I even know what for the money. That is how you deal with it.
I am with a picture of
he kept on moving when he had a sometimes. About me, in a toilet, in a cow, in a nothing. But I don't do the farm. We're coming up already. I want to laugh way.
It's anyway. We are with a picture. I want to take back. Oh. Iya wo di gbagbe ana wa sawo fi eyin na ki ana di gba iya mi ewu gogobiri ye ube mi no mu mi ye gogobiri ube mi no mu mi ye o lelele ube ga yi wa o aba gbon eke gogobiri we na ma ru odi gba se mi yana eke gogobiri o we na ma ru odi gba se mi yana o si eni mana ni bi ama gege mu ki ana ma mu eyu we no ma nwa. So what got done your way? When I go call the tackle from that foolish woman waiting for Germany, we not get sense. He work out tell people say Atiti toast Yuri. Now if Atiti carry phone toast Yuri, Atiti act not be all man go fit go toast Yuri. If me in it carry phone go toast Yuri, you know say a better thing they come for Yuri. You know say a good thing they come for them. Una to select, now make all of una the born for different hours. So the one where God destiny for una take out to one. The one where God destiny for una take out to one because una selection. Now make you select. Where you go end, una go biri after 4 men where you born for the Tajini. Okay, more plan. The question when I want to ask now, not going to start to Euro. For now, I never come insult you. I know say they join you. If they throw parable for me, of a little go as the same. The same way they do it to other people. If Rita I am with other people, they quarrel. The same way because they pray pam. Now so they throw what they come for me when I see. I cut all of the feet. If you get the one when me take cut throw mat go get say me see cut and make plan. Say me cut and make plan. The question when me they ask my do people now by English people. I want Muna help me ask Rita Yemi. Muna help me ask and say if na him with I see and now when I play the audio finish, Muna listen. 1 7 minutes. Okay, now take me not careful.
14 years. Yeah, we mama to talk to go war with man. The man to talk in the man. The guy play. I you wanna go here. I you wanna go to. I get in a pay your woman. And I will pay it up when they don't get in a pa. It's just that they are the wrong year. What you get about it? You go to that one will play your daughter. Give me that. You know that. I don't want anyone. You play as one. As me be, who might follow me there for house. Now let's 7 days wait till they see flower and I think they leave that woman. Every day. Before I go work. If na 5 o'clock I want to go work in the morning, I set alarm for 3 o'clock. If I wake I go gear 1. As I come, na 3 o'clock I take clothes. As I put food for top of table, we can hurry up ban and do every year. Igba me we be Igba if woman follow me there for house. Igba I no work back. Early morning I go do. Afternoon I go do. Night before I sleep, even who? I when it's there for a flower, I go run, leave her. When it's there for a flower, if not the same room with the sleep, I go run, go to sleep for parlor. Where would they go? I go there, I just put that one for them. Man will not sleep with the woman every time. You know, say the man don't love the woman. Man will see 5 women, I put them for house. As you dey fine, the man dey say na work, you want the work. You know say the man don't love her. You know say to, if we dey tell our adult women the truth, they will not believe. I said this men go down, they do the paka and they go pick race by themselves now, they go run. And wait, God, wait, the man will God program for them, not be that they go after. This all those women waiting for Europe. You know not see Rita Yemi. First man when he the toaster when he enter Europe. The man sit there with his wife today, Rita Yemi know the man when I talk. He called me that the first day when I do video. He said that woman a very useless woman. He said, when I leave her, he said the time when he never born, he said he toast her. He said he not do well. He said, but today he's a multi-millionaire. Since that time they come, Rita don't born for 4 men. Before I come marry go bring way, you see the laugh me say woman come on leave me. Me will be in trait we no know how to write my name Rita. One woman I don't come on for my life. Since when woman come on since 9 years, I owe myself to look for a good woman to marry. You never see since when I go this life, you say I travel, go see woman. You just not see him, not the see him. But you retire me. You wait the laugh me say woman come out from my house. 4 men now you don't born for before you deal with Gogobiri now. You say Gogobiri go school, you say better, I take better past me. Can't tell me retire me. Can't tell me. Retire your husband build duplex. Maybe I build 1 room.
Your husband they pay for accident for Europe. If they say me they talk cannot be in they pay. Now the 4 children way born for different man. 4 children way born for different man. Now you take the feed go-go-biri. The way they pay for you for 4 men where you born for. Now you take the feed go-go-biri now where they talk say you get husband for house. So make una call me Rita. The question when I the house now. Now when you already don't come on leave your husband now. Now I toast him. I be when he deal with the husband. We talk about video say woman wey dey with man. That's you talk about Rita go-go-biri. Rita go-go-biri. Now make me go bring this video out. I go cut and come out now. When I plan finish before I play your own. When I not talk put again. When your plan finish. When I plan finish. Rita, I tell you, you see this pan, go price them for market. Rita, you may go price this pan for market. It's less than 40 euro for this pan that they wear. I get them for white, I get them for black. The latest shoe when I wear is 140, 150, 160. The shoes when I wear. I don't know what your husband take better pass me so. Rita, give me. I want me you can't tell me what your husband go-go-biri we know the bath. Zimbabwe man we know the shave. But you can't teach her to shave in armpits. That's the coolest way you put for us. If they take and describe me Rita, I'll go assume with Rita. Oh, because you not get sense. Make me help me press I like your thing. They touch this video. They touch this video. Help me put a lash. Shaloboa. Imani ye in a light be. You are pay. I will do have it with more you wanna be anywhere. It can we want because I get can of cocoa. Why me now? Why me who? Over la on est si bien fait. C'est bien. I tell you merci. So more plan to go. What Rita Yemi? Wait till they try to talk now, my people. Rita Yemi come out. He say, make on the toast the Yore or Mose. The question we me they ask now. Now when you already don't come out, say you know they marry again, now me come toast them. Now I want to play the audio. Hello, where the comment section in New York.
Okay. This is more women, more cocoa. Well, more job will be around each way. I don't know. That's what I'm here. I'm going to make it. I'm going to get it set up. Let's see you.
The question when you ask me, I go answer you. I know they deny what I do. It be like say you not get, your papa with your mama not born you well. Papa will born you, he head block. The mama will born you, he head block. That's why I say, when I call person, me look with you right, whether because I don't feel pronounce and way. Now I call person say, when I ask me, when I ask with you right, whether I toast to you, I be not toast. Because you be a shower will not get sense. If you will write this comment, so you be a shower will not get sense. Asha will not get sense. You not see question when you ask me whether I toast to you, I be not toast. If your papa will born you, your mama will born you, and you or here. Your papa not dondi, your mama not dondi. You will write this comment. You know here when I the experiences. When I felt the talk for you to say I toast. Me not deny say I not toast because you are a foolish person. Your papa will born you foolish. Mama will born you foolish. If I don't do video finish, go they find my video they come. Every Paris go see me in the pre-comments. I know they deny what I do. How they deny what I do. But the question when me they ask now, I told her 14 years ago, when we never come live video. Since when we come live video, now they ask me a question whether now when he come live video, so being with your husband don't quarrel now, since they talk now me come toast the Yuri. Now I be the question I ask now. Because the time when I toast the Yuri, it's not there for husband house. Rita said there for husband house, me the toast her. Be you when you are oh now go what any more book be ram be any mugu okay sister a question you ask me. Sister a question you ask me. I don't reply your question now. Delete your question, come out immediately. Because if I see I go insult your papa, go the way you born because I not you here. Delete her immediately. Go I play this video finish, you not delete her. You wait for me. The only way you take right and so Ogon can't believe where you are. Because you be deaf person will not the hear word. You know where you Rita, you made the fog bowler. Make people they call Rita. You made fog bowler from today. Go fog bowler. For papa fog bowler. Make people they call her for papa fog bowler. Now I go they call Rita. Rita. Fog bowler for me. Rita go biri. For papa fog bowler. I'm not going to call Rita. You be like that. Yeah. Okay, more play the video, more leave video now. So I don't plan some more because I don't plan some more. Now I want to ask question. My country people, I bet the question when I want to call me house now. Now when in with Igbo man don't quarrel. For Bola come sit down for your Rita Okpo. Rita for Papa. Aki, me. Fogbola, Rita Fogbola, Bokuna go call a come because it's not for you. I want me to call reply me. Aye, auto loud. I want me to call reply. For Papa Fogbola, Rita Okpo. Rita will pay for 2 madam, $95,000. You see guy kpekus? Now the type of people who carry that kpekus food for us, now you marry so go biri. Zimbabwe. All those one where they smell where not they bath. Now you feel put for us because no Binima go feel put you for us. In your refer they talk and say go biri not the bath. All the other video where they talk and say go really not the bath. I'll come plan for you. When you want to call the talk to Yore call run for it. You not come join together so now one come fight me. All the other video where they talk say go biri not the bath. I'll come plan for you now. Waman waf your boy. Wagan waf your boy. Wagan ye. Wagan time it wagi. So my people, una go deep, God bless all of you around the world. Let una share. The question when at the house now. Rita, you may come out, he can't talk, say, I go to toast woman waiting for husband house. The time when I toasted Yuri 40 years ago, you not get husband. You only get white man, or you go. But Rita talk and say about the video, say, I go to toast woman waiting for husband house. I want to say, Rita, make people go at me house and say, whether and when Yuri can't do this video, say, you know, for your husband house again. Say the man, you know the same for money, you know the same for evening. Except if you're near or half your near, a calm down. Okanari by ye, Okunari by ye, Pano. I want to call me. Okay, one play the Tajimia, Unamuna listen. One play the Tajimia.
This life get the way we be. I don't know why people don't go for people who they can really afford the man. Because do you know that Oje will like Momijori? They go to toast Momijori, say he like her. So the guy he was fighting me because he might tell him say na me.
Oh, what you way? Rita, he might wear with mum, not with women. Eh, you any ago, no we calabaga to the cashew. Eh, raga to le with your car. Rita, your papa now go for a cow. Your papa the thief goat. You say me thief goat. Your mama with the cash for another cash where they call the where Calabama call the sleep with her call Rita. You forget. Under the cashew tree. Under the cashew tree. The cash Rita mama yemie. Under the cashew tree. Under the cashew tree. Under the kakuchi, Kalapama con de knock Mama Rita Yemie. Since Weytin was winning, the one when I know for your body, I'll can't disgrace you. Rita Yemie, your papa na be Ojewe, your mama na be Ojewe. Your papa with your mama not train you well. That's why you can't disgrace your papa with your mama for social media. So they can't bring your mama come out. They can't bring your mama come as under cashew. Now they for with Calabama. They sleep with her. Now you want to talk to me. Now you want to talk to me, Rita Nagimi. No, listen. No, listen.
So we usually not great for that. I know influencing. Now, video when I do one day, when I call the talk the video for Facebook, I say this guy they like me. The way he's talking to say, hey,
the video way you do, one day we come to say, I say this guy they like Yuri. I not deny say I don't like Yuri. You know the year for my video right from time when I talk and say this I not conspire na Yuri for marry for us. I don't they talk and they come several times. You because you be foolish woman when I will not get sense. Every time I watch I will win. Every time I watch I will not the think well. Aye. God, Ewa Ogrigan, Oato Baba, Nuna City Bank, Nuna City Pule, Ashawula Wa. God will not ask a basket who wears a rock with Ashawula Wa because next generation, man, my career over Ashawa, Monari, Avini, and the Asena. Well, when did the Hula Shawan on social media? Will look at the table, Jawina. Rita, you know, ashamed of yourself. Rita, you are not ashamed of yourself. For my footballer. Now you want to talk to now you want to talk to woman don't leave me. You say I don't know how to write my name illiterate for 9 years now. I know I study I find better woman when I want to marry. But when you they come up for your husband house, 2 years now you take married 4 men, 2 years now you take married for 4 men. You wait there for a second seal a salon sitter. Now you want to talk to me Rita you Rita Rita for papa. Rita for bola. Wasungu. Under the cashew tree. Under the cashew tree. Na Calabama call they sleep with her Rita Mama Rita Yemie. If I son come pa o, eyin yo wa ko gbomo jon. O eyin yo wa na ro gbomo jon be yan amuye Rita Yemie bo to te cashew. Rita Okbo. The question when me they ask now, don't play your voice just now. Now when you don't come up for your husband, now the toaster. I not fed dinner, I not fed toaster more. I like and well. I even they talk if they sort out for this cyberspace. I'll come at anybody where you sort out. I'll come to sort the person as he come in now. He not concern me again. He not concern me again. Because the time when I take support time, the name they're not supposed to call me. They call me Ogun back, call me everything. They call me Ogun back, call me everything for this social media. Mostly me like king. Una see, because of Yore Milaki go they insult my children. Una see after do cyberspace. Una see am. Na Yore I do am for. Since Yore don't decide to join this go-go-biri woman wey not get sense. Say they want beat me, I go give them body beat. I go give them body beat. I go tell the same na me. Now be new generation, messiah of Facebook. The pikin wey no know how to write his name. Rita, you may not get one help we go fit do for Yuri. As me talk, as I don't dey talk right for time, say if I get paper, I go take in hand, go be nothing dey happen. I don't dey talk and they come. If I say when I get paper, say if I say they bring money, I know say see money bring come again, if man don't chop the money finish. I'll be one gather myself and say tell her say Yakian we do. Now the whole word that they talk and so I know they fear when I they talk and boldly. I be one make people know say small but mighty. Not be social media where we they get mad. I be poor man picking, but I get Omega when you know me for a beneath. You make Sasaboro for there just now. You don't see only one day now I can make an announcement when I go to Sasaboro for live video. Where would they do prank? I go to stand. You see, I don't let that day people where they come from Canada. Say they don't rent a police, they don't put money. Now all those people I don't work for all of them. They know the type of juju. If you work for them, know they pay. You see, all of them they jump come out. So they put money for my account, so they put money for Asaboro account. You see. I've been illiterate, but I get people when you go school, they follow me the worker. You are a coward, Rita. You be coward when you not get sense. Asha when you not get sense. Where. So, question when I the house now, more plan to go. More play your voice to go.
You usually have a man. Because you never see that they do marriage for outside. You see why you don't know that you have a man? Is she a baby?
Yesterday, now you do this video. Say you already get a man, me go the toast down. If you already don't do video more than 1 month plus, saying with Igbo man not do it again. Who can they talk like and retire me? Mama, how you talk me, Anna? He retire me. It can be, you know, say that you they talk like and say you already get the man. When I play the video for you again, when you already talk, you not get man again. But you want to address the world with lies. You say you already get man for house. And you already don't come a month ago. Say you get husband, say the man not get to go to. Say you know they see the man for house. You know, she say you are not fooling yourself to the world with her. He say you know they see Kukuba for her. You already talk about a month plus then you already do the video. But you do your video yesterday now say you already get man for us. You say you are a liar. You see your lies now. I want to prove your lies to the world for people to know you are a coward, you are a nuisance in the society. I will tell you, if I have people, you know what way go feel, oh my word for my mouth. I will just discipline you. I'll make you a reflex. I'm not supposed to play this Yore voice now.
This life get.
Look at now. You say Yore get man for house. A month ago, now Yore do this video saying you not get man, you not deal with man again for house. Yesterday now you do your video. Yesterday now you do this video. More look who they talk like now. You see, you not get what you want to tell me where you want to follow me fight. The same way you put life for Lolo head. The same like they put life for Esther head. Esther waiting for Omagia the wife. You know, sister, at the same line you want to follow me the judge kid now. Now make me go bring this video to prove you. Listen to this one.
14 years. You know what I'm talking about?
Rita, I remember you again. How many men will fit buy this pan for market? How many men? Now, pan when I use this is 40-something euro. If your husband get the kind one this night, Rita, you may come bring and come and make up put a live video. Not be better 2 slippers your husband again. Rita, you mean I too big more than your husband. Forget the way I behave in social media. If you see me for narrow ground, you will know that I'm a man. If you don't go talk truth, 14 years ago, now car me drive go Paris. 14 years ago, car they drive go Paris. They say, oh, well, you're one walk on a woman, and they bring man down. So you are just a fool, Rita. You made that does not have sense. You talk verbally, as my papa talks. My papa says, I would talk verbally. Let us listen. Let us listen.
Wait, I don't know why people don't go for people who they.
Nah. The video we do last night, Rita, you say me they toast Yore for husband house. Take Yore for husband house. More listen.
I really afford people who they can carry. Now, wow, please, my darling. Do you know that Oje will like Momijori? They go toast Momijori, say he like her. So the guy he was fighting me because he might tell and say that me cause away Momijori no great for her. Me, I don't even know anything. Now, video when I do one day, when I call the talk the video for Facebook, I say this guy they like.
The time when I toast Yore 14 years ago. Since 14 years ago till now, I never put this mama tell Yore say I love you, I like you, I want us to come back. 14 years ago, Yore never knew you. Say now because of that one, when I toast her 14 years ago, now make me come to beat you now, Rita. Are you people hearing me? Una see this woman is a liar. Una see Rita Yemi is a liar. Mona let me they know now. Say who be liar for the year now? No be where you want to. Who be liar now? Who be liar now? Rita Yemi. You know, she say you fool yourself. Yesterday now you do this video now. You already come as it's almost 1 month ago saying no girls mind, saying they go in house, saying you know they see a care they do the way in down. More play your video they go. You cannot get on the
way he's talking to say, Momijori go see Momijori have a man. Because you never see that they do marriage to outside. You see why you don't know that he have a man? Is she a baby? This this life get the way we be. I don't know why people don't go for people who they can really afford. People who they can carry. Now, wow, please, my darling people, Mommy, you don't get the kind of me we like. He like Buffy. He like me we.
He like Buffy, but he say you know they see the Buffy for house. You know the way. The time where see this Asha woman, this Rita, so the time when meet Florence, he see there with Morocco man for house. Now when Rita there with Morocco house, now go they sleep with Sister Florence, so this go man. This Asha, I got 2 years we live video now. I never Monica Doni. I go tell you say that me be Messiah on Facebook. Go ask people. I go tell you, say, you not fear, you they throw mat for my sister, my lovely one. Nibokun. You they throw mat to a lolo for inside this video. You not fear. You feel the throw mat go again, I know they can't answer you. For this one where you throw mat, go meet a lolo. I go tell you, say, I be my pillar. I go tell you, say, lolo, I be my pillar. I'm not a lot to put you. I'm not top for this matter. I made the look as I want to take your life, take gentle for this life to cyberspace. I want me lot of the tell the look as I want to take you to Rita go bidding for this and do cyberspace. I come more iko. Iko go where? Iko who? Yeah, when you go as a mokpa, go as a Jack Paco. Go ask me like him. Go ask some most what they go tell you say na maybe. If I just they tell you somebody go they pepper you for his house. They go tell you say na maybe akpa corita akpo. For papa for kukuba. We know the shame. For bola. Rita Okpo, Rita Ashawo, Rita Gogobiri, for Papa for Bola. They'll tell you before you come, oh, I go to do you. When you know, see where take I go. I want me to do another one when I go analyze. None of this video when I don't feel analyze. The first video where you do, in order to bed you or you shame at the house. You want to use the say I toast you now. You don't say you know the for us my house again. You don't say you don't run, you know the sick bola they do. Where you don't go with the sick bola every day now? You say no agreement come. I not toast you say I toast her. You don't not be woman. In about if I toast you, I not get woman for us. The time when you never start to follow you waka, he did with people my house. As he follow you start to waka, now that it was a way. Oh, go make
go school, man, we know it's the Texas. You can definitely not come and carry such rat from the street. Ha! It's so big career, my darling. You where everybody just say and say for this Facebook, who were their career in the first time when you carry off career, you carry children.
You say the first woman when I marry, I off career. You say me where all women they say I they off their career. Where Mudi Haji, my queen, Oniboku Mudiane. Niboku Mudiane, don't be hurried. I know you know the best for your daddy. I know you know the best for your honey. I know you know the best for your go work men that is sour. Rita Yemi. Wait you talk. One Peter. You say me where people just say where first woman run leave. People say and say no be run leave me. It is that I go born because of documents. As a most what they find document they go so. Now the woman will born for me go find documents and I go born because of documents. Me say me not fit because of document. I saw stay. I fact my document. I send her back. But you there for Morocco ass. Morocco where you born for? Where you born last gift for? Where you carry your go-go-video? You say me there. You know how many men you don't destroy destiny? 4 men. Now you don't destroy destiny. Those 4 men they cry, they go for anywhere with the days now. Abi you no know. What beg you are. Was na Rita ye me no na nwa na ra makoku you makoku under the cattle tree. Under the cattle tree. Now Alabama they look. This line now you talk where your mind come wide this ear. Now you see the talk. More listen to more plan again.
Another man. Eh? How can you come and say you want to now follow somebody like Mommy Juri? What do you have to give to her?
What did you get now? Where they not follow woman like that? What did you get where they not follow woman like that? Eh? You don't know the drive motor now say I want to sit down for front of motor. Now me get motor. Now my front of motor now you go sit down put. Oh, Rita come me. You don't know the drive motor now. Talk close in the front of your motor now. I want to put leg like this. Now you're going to put full leg for front of my motor. Hey, Wageli, Ashawo no. My papa tell me say Ashawo no know how to talk. Wow, Ashawo wow. Not question. Not question.
Do you have education?
For Nigeria, I get motor. For Europe, I get motor. Now, front of my motor, now you're going to sit down. Not be me go sit down for front of you. As a motor, they sit down for front of motor now. Now, most of they sit down for front of motor. If you don't get motor, when I want to sit down for front of motor now, you don't know how to drive. Now, me know how to drive. Now, front of my motor, now you're going to sit down. Waiting you get now when I not follow that kind of woman. Can't tell me. Woman wait they for my line so as I talk so. Now Canada I did. If they say me they talk of property, ask property. Now me they delay. If you say when I come out, more they go Nigeria now, say you want use up to 500,000 to do marriage. They go do one, but I don't need that. It's a doctor in America. Canada, me to say. If they deal with me 24 hours of the line. The time when you come, I think that Monica send her come. I know we give her time. Do you know how many times you buy ticket from Canada to here? The lowest ticket when you buy is 1.8. Two times when you come, I leave them for hotel. Say, you know what, see this kind of man. The third one when you come, I meet and see. So, Rita, you are a foolish woman. You don't, no person who they play for this those Sabbath space. More about mighty. I know they raise myself, now God they raise me. Everybody is my friend. If you know the value in relationship, in friendship. Once you value the value, when you value me as a friend, I will value you as a friend. You know why they respect the Lolo. You mention Lolo name for this video. I begin to respect the Lolo. Because he has sense more than you people. And he educates more than you people. Let us listen to you. More listen to this for Papa footballer.
That you have to use to uplift her. She's a person who do Facebook work. She likes social media like anything. She's even trying to upgrade herself. she not read by herself. You will never even submit the read good morning for your comment section. If you see comment section, they say it's the right good morning, you don't feel right now.
Yes, I want you to bring your husband for you all to speak English. I want us to, if your husband they speak English, you they shame. If your husband they speak English for life, you they shame. You go they like to the drive, you go the driver they come out, you go the driver come out, you go the driver come out, make we come out. One I go come for live video finish, you with your husband go the quarrel for stars, you not let her talk finish, go say your you know say your English is bad. Your husband can speak English